Hello everyone, welcome to another LeetCode question from 30 Days of Pandas. Today we are going to work on an article view number 1, and the questions tells us that there is a data frame with columns article ID, author ID, viewer ID, and view date. And what it asks is to write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles and return the result table sorted by ID in ascending order. So when you look at this example, you see that there is an article ID, the author ID, and viewer ID. And it wants to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. To do that, it's pretty simple. We should take a look at the author ID and viewer ID for each row. And if there is one that is written the same number for author ID and viewer ID, that is sufficient for this rule that at least one of their own articles have been checked by themselves. And what it wants is the ID, which is the ID of the author ID, and it should be sorted in an ascending order. To do so, we are going to return views dot query where that author ID is equal to viewer ID, and then what we want to keep is author ID, and also we need to rename it to the output that it is decided, which is ID alone. And if you take a look here, you would see that there is cases of 4 and 7, but there is 2 cases of the 4 when we do this, follow this methodology of checking if author ID and viewer ID is the same. So what we need to do is to drop duplicates, and we don't need to specific on a specific column because the ID is the only column that we have. And then finally sort values by ID, and it should be ascending set to true. And let's see. And as you see, here we have 4 and 7 as an output that is expected. Let's submit. And yeah, it is accepted. Thank you very much. I would be appreciated if you find these solutions interesting and useful to follow me in YouTube. And if you have any question, I would be happy to answer in the comment sections.